Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here. This week, we've been learning how to sign Jesus Paid It All, originally written by Elvina M in the 1800s. But this week, we're going to be signing along with a version by Newsboys. So in the previous 2 days, we've learned all the signs, and today we're going to walk through this song from top to bottom. So remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there is a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so from the top, I hear the Savior say, God saying it to us, thy strength indeed is small. Child of weakness, watch and pray. Find in me thine all in all. Because that chorus, Jesus paid it, sacrificed all to him I owe, I give. Sin had left a crimson red stain. He washed it white as snow. Okay, and then verse 2, Lord, now indeed I find thy power and thine alone can change the leopard skin disease spots and melt this heart of stone. Back to the chorus. Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sin had left a crimson stain. He washed it white as snow. And then that third verse, and when before the throne I stand in him complete. Jesus died my soul to save. My lips shall still repeat that Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sin had left a crimson stain. He washed it white as snow. And then that final little section, oh, praise the one who paid my debt and raised this life up from the dead. Oh, praise the one who paid my debt and raised this life up from the dead. Oh, praise the one who paid my debt and raised this life up from the dead. Okay, and that's how it ends. It just ends there. It doesn't go back to the chorus. So you might be signing a different version of the song, but this should give you everything you need. And I'm really looking forward to tomorrow when we sign with the music. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.